Hello there. We had a great sleep here in our girls' room. I'm gonna leave Jellybean here to get dressed and get ready, and I'm actually gonna go to the boys' room and help Honored Sir get the maniacs ready for the day.
We're at breakfast. It's all included. We're waiting for our food to come.
We're at Drover's Inn, and the breakfast is included in the price of the stay. They have a continental breakfast, and then you can order hot food too. So we've put in our order for hot food, and we're just waiting for it to come out. I'm stressing because I want to get going because today is supposed to be super hot, like yesterday, even hotter. And I want to hike while it's still cool out, but those minutes are rapidly going by.
Thousands of tears later.
So it's going to be close to 30 degrees today, and we got out late. We wanted to be starting at 8 a.m. and instead we started at 9 a.m. and we have a long way to go with minimal tree cover.
We're worried about the heat. Yesterday, towards the end of our hiking day, I felt really sick to my stomach because of the heat, so we're worried about the heat today too.
It is super hot. I'm literally, it feels like somebody just dropped a bottle of water on me. And as I get hot, my glasses keep on slipping off.
We're at a place where you could get to Crianlarich, which is a big town downhill that we're not going to. Instead, we're going up with no trees.
How much of this hill do we have left? Today's burning hot. We're all dying here.
Honored Sir called today a death march. It is just blazing hot, and if we didn't have reservations in Tyndrum, then we would have stopped at the last town because we're suffering. This is the look of logging. It makes you rethink wasting wood, doesn't it?
We made it to our stopping place to get cold drinks, but instead, it's closed. And it's been closed for about 2 years. I feel upset.
I got overheated and I'm nauseous and feel like I'm gonna pass out, but we're almost there. I'm just having a breather. This is our hostel for the night. It's called By the Way Hostel, and we have a chalet. This is one of our most expensive accommodation. It was like the only thing to fit 5 people, which is why I chose it. Okay, we got some couches, little kitchenette. Looks like we're here at the chalet. I got majorly overheated on the way here and I feel like so unwell now. I'm like too tired to even like do anything. I feel like I could have done this hike easily on like a cooler day, but I mean, I don't know the temperature today, but I'm pretty sure it was like close to mid-90s. It was like unheard of weather for this part of the world. I don't know what's going on, but Even though we were roasted and exhausted, we still went out to get dinner. We're just like exhausted and still overheated. So we're headed back to our accommodation now. We're gonna shower off and like crash